Traders Anthony here. Okay, we're looking at the US 100. Now we can see that this has traded down. We've taken out these previous lows over here. As you can see, this daily, that's been taken out. A couple of dips into it. All right, we had this nice strong trend. Now we've got this double, triple, quadruple bottom setting up under here, right? So you want to be very, very careful. I'll call it a double bottom. We've got these two lows here, and this dip under has got me very interested. So I'm wondering whether this is gearing up for a bit of a move north. Possibly, we don't know yet. We'll just have to see how it shapes up. We've got a couple of things going on here. We've got this previous level balance area distribution on the daily, and we've also got, well, we've got this imbalance up in here, daily imbalance, bearish imbalance, thin candle. So I'm thinking at some stage, I mean, this will look for these levels, but when is the question? So let's just go down to a 4H quickly and have a look at this. See, I mean, this is not what I want to get involved with. There's no trend here. It's kind of no man's land, so be really careful, guys. And also Friday, we've got NFP tonight. It's not the best trading day of the week. Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday, they're my days. Look at this. See, we've got this range here, bearish break, imbalance 4 hour. This is a level of interest here, definitely. And that's a target for me. You know, I really won't be getting involved with that. What do we got? Okay, trades down, grinds up, messes around, has a bit of a thing here. Yeah, I mean, that could be bearish. That could be looking to head south. But seriously, I think Monday is going to be the day that gives us the opportunity with this. So I think today, and watch out, NFP, we're going to expect volatility. Stay out of the market. Let's see where this travels. Got a range here that I want to see how this shapes up. Where have we got? Parallel channel. I mean, I'll just draw this parallel channel through here. Something like that. And you want to wait for the break. Does it break above, retrace, fail? Or does it break below, retrace, fail? That's the question. And I think today, you know what I'm expecting today? I'm expecting that we'll see smart money hit stops, and then it'll set up for a trend possibly on Monday. Now, if they're intending to short this on Monday, then this would be what I expect today, to go for liquidity up in here. All right, so just be really careful, folks. If anything, I would be looking to set up a short, possibly up in around here. That would be my play with this. But, you know, I mean, I won't be getting involved. But this is something that I would consider. If this travels north, then something like that for Monday could be a thing. All right, so that's a 4 hour and a daily. This was a daily distribution level. By the way, guys, click the links below and jump on board our, you know, we've got this big level here, our Telegram group. See, we've got this nested 4 hour daily distribution. I would go, it stops above these highs, but watch out. Don't underestimate how far this thing can, I mean, look at this. Let's just go back and check it out. I like to pick up a bit of a measured move here. So we've got that. Yeah, okay. Yeah, it's a bit wide. No, you could probably pull up the, yeah, there's a move. You could pull up the average true range indicator and just have a look at the volatility. But yeah, look, just to wrap the video up, I don't want to ramble on. I think that's my setup potentially for Monday if this travels north. Okay, guys, I hope you have a great day, safe trading, and we'll see you in the next one.